Hello audience. Today I just got my new Dell XPS 13 laptop. It's the 2015 edition and it's the i5 with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of SSD space. Dell wanted to charge me $150 to upgrade to 256 gigabytes, so instead I bought this. This is the Samsung 850 EVO M.2 SSD. And it was $180 off of Amazon, and it is 500 gigabytes in capacity. So take that, Dell. I'm not even going to turn this laptop on. I'm just going to yank it open, tear out the 128, and throw this bad boy in. Alright, so it looks like this laptop has two different styles of screws. This one is a T5 Torx, and under this weird magnetic flappy bit, it looks like a number... yeah, that's a number 1. So we're going to go ahead and open her up and replace the SSD. So check this out. I haven't seen this in a while. There's some Loctite on these little Torx screws, so be careful when you're taking them out and when you're putting them back in. Don't strip the heads on them, go slow. Little bastards are in there. Alright, let's keep going. So I've removed all of the screws, and it looks like there's 8 T5 Torx screws and 1, whatever the hell that is, M1, I think it's metric. So let's go ahead and peel this thing off. We have to start from the back by the screen here, where the screen attaches to the main body of the laptop. You're going to want to shove some kind of a plastic spludger tool or something in there. There are several clips located around this thing, and it was kind of a bitch to peel it off, but I did, and let me show you what that looks like. So here's the back side of the body of the laptop. This is where the screen would normally fit in, so the top is in that direction. And you can see these little aluminum clips, so you have to be kind of careful when you're prying it off. Get your plastic spludger, or in my case, a guitar pick in there and slide it along the side and hopefully not break any of these tiny little pins off. Basically, good luck. You're going to want to start from the back, meaning the screen area here. Peel these 4 clips off first, work around the edge. I found that this one was much easier to use, and this is the one where the battery indicator is on. And then I worked my way around this way, and basically there was nothing holding it on in the front. Once I got these all removed, it was a piece of cake. So now that we have it open, here's the fan where the CPU lays underneath, heat pipe, M.2 SATA SSD, and according to someone else's teardown, the memory is soldered to this logic board, and it lays kind of along here underneath the logic board on the opposite side. We're just going to go ahead and remove that, throw the new one in. Alright, with the screw out, be careful, this thing is slightly spring-loaded. Just slide it right out. Bigger is better. And now we're just going to replace the screw and replace the lid, starting from the front side of the laptop. Lastly, replace the screws. Oh. And there you have it. Replace all the screws, turn her over, power on for the first time. Did not even bother with the last hard drive. Except now, bonus nachos, you have a 128 gigabyte SSD to put in whatever the hell you want. And a 0.5 terabyte one in here. Take that, Dell. Catch you guys on the flip side.